How to make an Klaviyo account for free. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very simple and easy, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to search for Klaviyo on your Google browser or whatever browser you are using, and simply go for the first link you get and simply click on the sign up button. Once you are here, you have to enter your email address, your password, your company name, your company website, and your phone number. Once you are done, simply check mark this and go for this captcha. Simply select it. Once you are done, click on verify and simply click on this create account, and your account will be created after you select the company that you have, like in Shopify, in whatever website or browser you have. So once you are here, as you can see, this is my home page. I can now integrate my Shopify that I have selected before. So I hope this video will help you out. This is how to make an Klaviyo account for free.